Here we have to read about the definition of the Constitution. So, Constitution is a body of fundamental principles according to which a state is acknowledged to be governed. That means a Constitution is a written document, and that all the rules are written in the Constitution, all the principles are written in the Constitution. That means all the rights and duties, powers and functions of the government, then the directive principle of the state policies, about the sharing of power between the different levels of the government, all that are written in the, all the guidelines are there in the Constitution. That means Constitution is the guideline only, okay. And it is a very important document for a federal country as well as for a democratic country, okay. It is the pillar of a democracy. Constitution, this is the supreme law of the land, okay. So it is Constitution, and the Constitution of India is adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and came into force on 26th January 1950, okay. So to make the Constitution of India, the making of the Constitution is a very long and tough process, okay, very lengthy process it is. And to make the Constitution of India, a Constituent Assembly was elected. Constituent Assembly of India was elected, and the member of the Constituent Assembly were given the responsibility to write the Constitution of India, make the Constitution of India, okay. So that Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India after going through a long process on 26 November 1949, and this 26 November every year in India is observed as Constitution Day. So now we all the people of India observe 26 November every year as Constitution Day, means সংবিধান দিৱস হিচাপে আমি observe কৰো বা পালন কৰো. And the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950, and this 26 January every year in India is observed as Republic Day. আমি 26 নৱেম্বৰটো সংবিধান দিৱস হিচাপে পালন কৰোঁ, আৰু 26 জানুৱাৰীটো আমি গণতন্ত্ৰ দিৱস হিচাপে আমাৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষত পালন কৰোঁ, অবজাৰ্ভ কৰোঁ, okay. And then the father of the Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was the father of the Constitution of India. He is regarded as the guardian of the Constitution of India. Constitution father বা guardian হিসাবে B.R. Ambedkarক কোৱা হয়. আৰু the president of the Constituent Assembly, the members of the Constituent Assembly made the Constitution, and the president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad আছিল Constituent Assembly খনৰ president, okay. So and in my next class তোমালোকৰ লগত about I am going to discuss about the preamble of the Constitution of India, because preamble is regarded as the backbone of the Constitution of India. Constitution খনৰ backbone হিচাপে আমি preamble টোকে বুজি পাওঁ, মানে that means the beginning part of the Constitution খনৰ beginning part হিচাপে preamble টো কোৱা হয়. That's why before going to read further about the Constitution খনৰ বিষয়ে বেছিকৈ পঢ়িবলৈ যোৱাৰ আগতে আমি প্ৰথমে first we have to read the preamble of the Constitution of India. আমি preamble টো পঢ়িব লাগিব. And তোমালোকৰ মাজৰ কোনে কোনে আসামিজ মিডিয়ামত লৈছা, কোনে কোনে ইংলিছ মিডিয়ামত লৈছা, তোমালোকে মোক কৈ দিবা, okay. So for today, thank you. If you have any doubt, then contact me freely. Thank you.